Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial. In today's video, we will find the factors of 24. So let's start. At first, we have to find all the possible ways in which we can express 24 multiplicatively. We will at first try for 1. And look that 24 can be written as 1 times 24. Now we will move to 2 and we can write 24 as 2 times 12. Now we will try with 3 and we know that 3 times 8 is equal to 24. In the next step, 24 gives us 4 times 6. Now it's time for 5, but 5 doesn't divide 24. Now we have to try for 6 and look that here we have already obtained 6. So we will stop here. Therefore, the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So, the total number of factors of 24 is 8. Now, if we give a look among these factors, we can see that 2 and 3 are prime numbers because these numbers have no divisors other than 1 and that number itself. So, the prime factors of 24 are 2 and 3. Thank you for watching.